Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market leading stocks for the coming session. This is going to be for Monday, September 8th, 2014. Got mostly upside indications here in the NASDAQ patch. Most of them are the CPS variety. Do have a couple of volume bumps. We've got one in Tesla. We played down on the short side today and did pretty well with that. That one's about 2.5% below the day's open. Altera's also got a volume bump, but this one is showing a downside RPS. So you might want to anticipate some downward action on this one for next week. We've got a volume bump also in Biogen. A lot of the biotechs are weak. Play Regeneron short this week and have our eyes on Amgen for rollover as well. Moving on to the financials, again, printing mostly positively here off the scans at this point. Huntington Bancorp's got an upside CPS and a volume bump. A volume bump in U.S. Bancorp, but don't have a signal with it. Morgan Stanley's showing a contra candle. It's a little bit lower on the day, but it's trading above the day's open. That one's probably going to wind up with a volume bump when we get to the close. Look at the energy names. BP, a lot of volume following through. A little bit of news there on that one. ACI also trading good volume, and RIG trading good volume. That one's showing an upside RPS. So that might be one to watch on the long side for Monday. Moving on to the market generals, pretty positive here. Not a lot of deviations here. We have one in Comcast that's got an upside CPS and a volume bump. We've also got one in Dow Chemical, upside CPS, same way with the volume bump as well. Walmart looking like it's going to support a downside RPS. That one's on volume, so that little safety trade may be about to run its course there in that one. Look at the housing names, not really where the action is today so much. Most of the trading's muted. Home Depot's having a pretty nice day. That's going to have a strong candle on the daily. As far as the transports go, pretty good bounce back day. Those are showing mostly upside CPSs. Airlines still a little bit sloppy. American Airlines, you can see here, is about 1.5% below the day's open, so that one's still a little sloppy. And finally, commodities. They're still not really sure what to do with these after the ECB meeting. Double G still showing some weakness. That one's got a volume bump. Alcoa is flirting with an upside CPS. Nothing else is really standing out here in the commodity patch. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.